AI Cash Machines 2.0 review. Is it worth it? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm giving you an inside look at AI Cash Machines 2.0 by Crawford, a brand new training that shows you exactly how to use Instagram and AI tools to make $1,000 a day or more, even if you're starting from scratch. This is not fluff. It's based on the exact method Zach used to go from broke and $50,000 in debt to building a multi-million-dollar business. The strategies inside are easily worth $2,000 or more, but right now you can grab it for just $27. Plus, I've got a bonus package worth way more than the price of AI Cash Machines if you get it through my link below. So this could be the smartest $27 you ever spend. So let me ask you this. Do you want to make real affiliate commissions without paid ads? Do you want to build an audience on Instagram without showing your face? Do you want to leverage AI tools like ChatGPT to do the heavy lifting? Then AI Cash Machines 2.0 is made for you. Let's take a look inside the course, the modules, the community, and at the end, I'll show you the bonuses I've got waiting for you. So, we're on the sales page now. You can see exactly what Zach promises. No need to show your face. No complicated funnels. No tech overwhelm. No paid ads. You'll be using simple short-form videos, which you can generate with AI or use my done-for-you ones, to drive free traffic from Instagram to your affiliate offers. And this is done in a secret way you have never heard of. And this is the exact strategy Zach used to build his brand and bank millions, and now he's giving you the blueprint. Let's go to the course, because of course, I have purchased it myself. Zach Crawford's AI Cash Machines 2.0 is broken down into 4 powerful modules, packed with step-by-step videos, templates, and shortcuts to help you hit 1K a day using Instagram and AI. Let me break down the core modules. Module 1, Affiliate Foundation and Setup. You'll learn the full game plan to hit 1K a day as an affiliate, even if you're brand new. Zach shows how to pick the right offers, promote his high-ticket products, and even work directly with him to earn up to $1,000 per sale. You'll get your affiliate links, recommended tools, landing page setup with Stand Store or Beacon, a 7-day fast start plan, plus done-for-you prompts and templates so you can take action fast. Module 2, Copy a Millionaire. This is the shortcut section, where you literally copy Zach's brand and content strategy. You'll generate your own brand name with GPT, access his personal content vault, and learn how to edit his videos with CapCut. Then you simply post with your link and CTA. No guesswork, just model what's already working. Module 3, Poppy AI Content Engine. This module reveals the power of Poppy, the AI tool Zach uses to generate nonstop content ideas. He also shares a backup method using ChatGPT for those on a budget, so you can still generate content even if you don't invest in Poppy right away. This is the engine behind your daily traffic. Module 4, Instagram Mastery. This is the heart of the course, a full Instagram marketing blueprint to build your audience and convert traffic into commissions. You'll learn how to create a new account, optimize it, build a faceless brand, and train the algorithm to favor your content. Zach dives deep into content planning, scripting, editing with CapCut, using trending audios, writing captions, and even automating your DMs with ManyChat. He shows how to create a month's worth of content in a single day and turn viewers into loyal customers with his 7-figure story formula. And just to mention, look at how much content you're getting, step by step, for this tiny price. I mean, seriously, this is insane value. It's almost crazy how underpriced this is. But that's your opportunity. So don't overthink it. Lock in your access now before the price goes up, as it will not stay $27 forever. With that said, when you purchase AI Cash Machines, you will also get access to the Affiliate Millionaires community. And people are already posting wins, commissions, and results. This isn't theory. This isn't a BS Warrior Plus offer. This is real and proven to work, and it's working right now for total beginners who are just following the steps. Zach himself is in the group, giving tips and answering questions. So you're not just buying a course, you're joining a mentorship environment. Now let's talk bonuses. If you grab AI Cash Machines 2.0 through my link below, here's what you're going to get as a bonus. Bonus 1. 600 done-for-you motivational videos. Perfect for Instagram or TikTok. Just upload them and brand them with your name or logo. Use them to drive traffic, grow your audience, or even resell them as your own. This aligns perfectly with what Zach teaches in the course. Bonus 2. Access to the 7-figure affiliate group. You'll join a community of real online marketers learning how to earn 1K, 50K month with affiliate marketing. This isn't some generic group. This is where the serious marketers hang out and win. To claim your bonuses. 1. Buy through my link below. Own comment purchased under this video. 3. Email your receipt to freeleadsystemvip@gmail.com. Click the link in the description below to join AI CashMachines 2.0. This is a $2,000 program being offered for $27, and my bonuses will help you succeed even faster. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll personally reply. Thanks for watching this AI CashMachines 2.0 review. If you got value from this, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more strategies to grow your online income. See you inside the program, and congrats in advance on taking action.